Impact of Liquidity Risk and Liquidity Management Role by Lungnije Thase. A strong liquidity position in the banking industry is of paramount importance for the smooth functioning of the economy. The failure of the bank to manage its liquidity results in liquidity risk, which further increases the probability of default (PD) in the banking industry. The aim of this paper is the analysis of liquidity management policy in order to determine the level of liquidity risk. Planning of liquidity requirements is important from the microeconomic aspect because the banks at any moment must respond to requests submitted by depositors or applications for new loans. Provision of liquidity is also required from the macroeconomic aspect since this reflects on the economic and financial stability. Quantitative data for this study was collected using a questionnaire designed to analyze liquidity risk management, which would help in the identification and explanation of possible changes in the banking system in the country. Data collected from the questionnaire was processed using the SPSS program. Based on the analysis, it is estimated that banks properly manage liquidity and maintain adequate liquidity reserves to ensure sufficient funds to meet their commitments on time. Also, the main sources providing liquidity for banks are the non-term deposits and the issuance of various securities. However, holding excess liquidity reserves causes the opportunity cost for banks, but also non-fulfillment of the requirements of the economy for loans. Therefore, the regulatory bodies should reduce the liquidity reserve holding. It is recommended for future research studies to expand not only in Kosovo but also in the CE countries in general because there is no such research. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.